there were spots noted on Natalie's lungs that are classic bursting of blood vessels when someone is screaming very, very loudly, very intense screaming. You can actually bust or break capillaries on your lungs. Well, the significance of that is that Dennis DeVerne, the boat captain, has said his story is consistent with some of these circumstantial pieces of evidence that there was a screaming, banging, cussing fight that occurred between Natalie and Robert Wagner in the master stateroom of the yacht shortly before Natalie, quote, disappeared, close quote.